Over here you can see the garage and the things. And inside, we've been working inside today. You can see the cutting station. A lot of plumbing is still there. Two of the guys are in the jungle today, which is nice. Here you can see the floors coming along nicely inside, and the electrical is being put into the various circuits in this direction. And as we come along here, you can see that they're continuing to work on the front, and the deck is coming along real nice. Hello, gentlemen. And so that's the video for today. God bless you. Keep praying.